Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be making a baked pasta with a homemade spicy Calabrian pepper sausage. So let's get started right now. So first things first, go ahead and preheat your oven at 400 degrees and start some water for boiling to cook your pasta.
So for this pasta today, we're going to be using my classic, delicious and simple marinara sauce. You may find the link on how to make this recipe down below.
Now once you have your sauce going, let's prepare our sausage. Now this sausage is really easy to come together. You may need to go to an Italian specialty store to get these special peppers, and if not, you may omit this. But I think it really brings a lot of flavor. Also, the anise and the fennel in the sausage does wonders to the fragrance and the flavors in the sausage. So here I have 6 ounces of ground chicken, and to this add a half a teaspoon of freshly chopped chilies, half a teaspoon of chopped Calabrian peppers, a small pinch, like 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, or to taste, about a 1/4 to 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Since I like my stuff spicy, I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, but you may tone that to your taste. Now we're gonna come to the fragrant stuff. It's gonna make your sausage really delicious. I'm gonna add a pinch, less than 1/8 of a teaspoon of fennel powder. If you don't have fennel powder, go ahead and wrap some fennel seeds between paper towel or a Ziploc and crush it. It's okay if you don't get it too fine. Just get it to small chunks so that when you bite into it, you don't get the full fennel seed in your mouth. Lastly, we're gonna put, again, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of anise seeds. Now again, if you want to learn more about these spices, you can refer to my series on spices called Let's Make It Spicy and learn all about this. The links will be down below in the description box. We're gonna add a little bit of sweetness to our sausage. It's gonna be really nice. So add about half a tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. Now to just bring this all together, add a little bit of water. This is about a 1/4 teaspoon. Now just mix this all together until it comes together into one delicious sausage. And there you go. Now this is ready to use. You can make this in advance if you like, and make it the next day or even the day after. The more it sits, the more flavor is produced in that sausage.
Now heat up a pan to cook your sausage on medium heat. So add a teaspoon of olive oil in your pan to cook the sausage. Once the oil is hot, add in your sausage. Now using a spatula or a wooden spoon, break your sausage down into smaller bits. And you're going to cook this until the chicken is no longer pink. The chicken is almost cooked and the smell is truly incredible. Keep breaking it down into smaller bits. As soon as the chicken is no longer pink, turn off the heat and transfer the chicken sausage into a bowl. So once your water comes to a boil, add in your penne and cook until al dente, or about 7 to 8 minutes. So once your pasta is cooked, drain it and add it to your marinara. That honestly looks beautiful. Now if you're wondering, why do we suddenly have such little marinara? It's because I'm making marinara in bulk. If you want to know why, go ahead and check out the video where I talk all about cooking smart and saving time. The link will be attached down below. Along with the pasta, add in about half of your sausage with any juices. Now mix well till this all comes together. This looks absolutely stunning. So let's get out a casserole and start putting this dish together. Now add half of your pasta into your casserole. Now layer your casserole with half of your mozzarella and spread this out.
I personally love layering the cheese and the pasta on top because it's a really nice surprise when you dig in and you have that delicious molten cheese in the middle.
Finish the layer by putting the rest of your pasta on top. Add the rest of your sausage on top. Now finally add in the rest of your cheese. Transfer the casserole onto a baking sheet. This is just going to help taking the casserole out much easier for you.
Cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's warmed through and the cheese is delicious golden brown. Now while that happens, let's lift this dish up with some fresh basil. Fresh basil is amazing, pungent, strong, and it adds this spiciness which I absolutely love.
So we're gonna chiffonade some basil. Chiffonade is just French for ribbons. So take 4 to 5 basil leaves and stack them on top of each other. Do not try to chiffonade basil for more than 5, otherwise it won't turn out as perfect as you want it to be. So you're gonna roll it into a tight cigar with a sharp knife. Not putting any pressure on the basil, just slice right through the basil. You want to go with the knife's sharpness. Go with the edge. You don't want to bruise the basil, otherwise it's not going to look pretty. And there you have it, some beautiful chiffonade of basil. Now just garnish with that beautiful chiffonade of basil.
So there you have it, guys. This recipe is so simple to execute and has so much flavor packed in it that it's just gonna blow your mind. And this sausage recipe is so versatile. And this sausage recipe is so versatile that you can use it for breakfast sandwiches or for pizzas. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a like and a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any new content. And be sure to subscribe to all my social media links linked down below. Until then, I'll see you guys again on the next one.